Hello Kenta friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the top iOS launcher applications for Android devices. If you've ever wanted to experience the look and feel of an iPhone on your Android phone, then this video is for you. We have researched and compiled a list of the best iOS launcher apps, so let's dive right in. Launcher xPhone. Launcher xPhone is the best iOS launcher application for Android devices that provides a user interface similar to an iPhone. This application offers various features such as an app drawer, swipe settings, notification control, and theme support. Users can quickly access various apps and widgets and customize the layout of icons to their liking. Launcher xPhone also provides gesture features that allow users to easily access apps through customizable gesture frames. iOS Launcher 2024. iOS Launcher 2024 is an iOS launcher application designed to provide the best experience of using an iPhone on an Android device. This application offers a user interface similar to iOS 14, including iOS themes, iOS notifications, quick controls, and more. Users can easily access their favorite apps through a neatly arranged app drawer and customize the layout and style of icons according to their preferences. Additionally, iOS Launcher 2024 features a universal search feature that allows users to quickly search for apps, contacts, or needed information. xLauncher. xLauncher is an iOS launcher application that provides a user interface similar to an iPhone and iPad on an Android device. This application offers various features, such as an app drawer with a layout similar to iOS, notification control, and customizable themes. xLauncher also provides easy icon replacement and gesture features that allow users to quickly access apps through specific movements. The application also includes various widgets that display important information such as weather and calendar on the home screen. And that concludes our video on the best iOS launcher applications for Android. Whether you want a complete iOS-like experience or just want to change up the look of your Android device, these apps offer a range of features and customization options. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.